What up, hunty? Welcome back to Way of Yao. My name is Yao and it is a pleasure to see you all. So for this video we are going to be doing another tutorial. I'm going to be serving you colourful, bright, pigmented. I was really inspired by peaches and I really wanted to bring out a look that really captured that. I've got nothing on my face at the moment. I haven't got my brows on, so I am going to start off this tutorial by quickly doing my brows and coming back. However, before we do all of that, if you are not already a part of the family, do not forget to hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss out, and hit that notification bell so that you are first to be notified whenever I upload a brand new video, okay? Leave in the comment section what you want to see in my next video, because you guys wanted to see pigment, so here I am serving you pigment. I also have some hair videos coming up as well, because some of you guys commented that you wanted more hair videos, because I've not done one in about 6 effing months. So we will get into that as well. And don't forget to hit that like button as well to show your support. It also helps to rank the video a little bit higher so that the girls know what's poppington in the hoodington. And without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. So now that the brows are slayed and snatched and you are all zoomed in, we are going to move on with this tutorial. So the eyeshadow palette we will be using for this look will be the BPERFECT Carnival palette. This is in collaboration with Stacey Marie, an amazing makeup artist, and they created this absolutely gorgeous palette. It might be out of focus. This is how it looks. It has a really nice stunning pink over here, and it also has a stunning orange. So those are the two main shades that I'm going to be using for this look. As you know, we love pigment. This palette is pigment, so let's get on into it. So I'm going to be using my favourite eyeshadow base. This is the Eraser Eye Concealer in the shade Ivory. This is by Maybelline. Okay, so before I start with the eyeshadow, I'm going to quickly blend out the remaining concealer on the crease, just to make sure that we are starting with a nice flat canvas. I'm going to be going into Funky, which is the vibrant pink shade in the palette, and I'm going to be placing that in my inner corner. So I'm literally just packing that colour in and making sure that it is nice and intense. And as you can see, this is pigmented, honey. Now I'm going to be moving on to Lit, which is this vibrant orange shade here, and I'm going to be blending that into the pink. Don't worry about the pink because we will be blending it out in a moment, but I just want to get those initial colours down first and get them as pigmented as I can before blending them out. So what I'm doing here is slowly blending the orange into the pink so that it looks a little bit more gradient. Yeah, I like that. I live for that. We're looking low-key, high-key cute or whatever. So now dipping into Keen, I'm going to be using that on the outermost part of the eye look. Okay, so now that we have the colours set down, I'm going to begin smoking out the edges of those colours. Okay, cool. So now that we have blended out the colours to how I like them, this side still isn't blended the way I'd like it to be blended. However, we're going to cut the crease and see how it goes, because when we cut the crease it might not show as much. And you guys know I love to do a half cut crease and just stop it about here, but for this look we will be cutting the entire crease and winging it out. Just gonna pat the concealer onto the lid like this. By the way, I use the same concealer that I use for my eyeshadow base, so the same Maybelline concealer. So now that the crease is cut, I'm going to go ahead and place those colours in reverse. So yellow being in the centre, orange in the middle, and then pink on the outer part of the eye. I must say this orange looks so gorgeous in the centre here. We are serving life, death and resurrection, honey, are we not? Is this not a look? Is it just me or is this like a look? And we're not even done yet. Perfect, so now that the eyes are more or less complete, I'm gonna go ahead and take a wipe and I'm gonna clean up the edges. Perfect, so now that the eyes are more or less complete, I'm going to be moving on to skin. I'm going to be trying a brand new product. This is from Pop Beauty. This is the 24K Face Base. They did a dinner the other day actually, which I attended, which was super duper cute. Nice food, living a life, and this is a brand I haven't tried before, so I'm really excited to try this. I did already spray it. It comes out like that and it gives your skin a bit of a glow. I didn't know that it was gonna come, I thought it was gonna come out like a gel sort of consistency, because that's what it's like in the jar, in the container, but you know, it's cute, so let's give it a go. It is definitely helping to give my skin a nice glowy, a subtle glowy finish, which I like. The only thing I'd say is that the way it comes out of the nozzle needs to be different. That is way too harsh on the skin. That can be improved. Okay, so now moving on to foundation, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade Chestnut. Now for concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use the Rich Chocolate Camo Concealer from e.l.f. So I did set my skin with my translucent powders, that being the Sienna and Ebony Translucent powders from Bennyemakeup, using Sienna on the centre of the face and Ebony on the perimeters of the face for shading. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my white eyeliner. This is from Stargazer, and I'm going to be extending my inner corners with these, and also I think I'm going to cut the crease with it as well, just to give it more of a defined look. I did actually cut the crease with the liner. I couldn't finish it on camera because it was just so hard to do on camera. So now we are going to move on to lashes. These are the Kaleidos Lashes Alpha Lashes 3D Mink. I've worn these once before and these are actually so stunning. So I'm going to put these on and see what we're serving. So now that the lashes are on, the eye is complete and we are feeling snatched. Are we living? Are we living for this look? I am. So now moving on to highlight, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. highlighter. This is in the shade Brilliant Muave. It is like a orangey, pinky, peachy, yellowy sort of. It has like a gold reflex to it, so I'm hoping that when I put it on the skin, it's going to give me a nice golden, peachy sort of tone. So we're going to see how it looks. I'm also going to use that highlighter to highlight my lip as well. You know that this is my signature lip look, literally. And now that we are highlighted to the gods, goddesses and back to earth, I'm going to go ahead and use my matte liquid suede lipsticks. These are from NYX Professional Makeup. This is in the shade Pink Lust and this is in the shade Orange County. I didn't look at the names. That is how well I know the shades of these lipsticks. I've been using them for such a long time. So this is the ombre look. I hope you are living. A little bit of pink, a little bit of orange, and this is what we are serving. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my hair as I do, and I'll come back and show you guys the official look. Perfect, this is the completed look and I hope you are living, dying and resurrecting, sis. The hair is on, the eyes are snatched, the lips are, and we are complete. So if you guys did enjoy watching this video, if you learned anything, if you just liked it, make sure to hit that like button to show your support. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already a part of the family, and hit the notification bell so that you are first to be notified whenever Yao uploads a brand new video, so that you can come on over and show your support. And on that note, I will see all of you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye guys. Mwah, mwah.